9:29 in the morning on Wednesday, July 24th. I'm at the Hugh Ramsey Nature Park. I'm only gonna be here a little bit. They got some water right there. Might have been food. I'm only gonna be here at the nature park. I think the cats or the beavers or possums, whatever animals might have taken that trash out. It's so close to the trash can. Yeah, I'm only gonna be here a little bit at the Hugh Ramsey Nature Park. Oh, there's a little mourning dove right there. There's a new sign. I haven't seen that before. Hopefully the gentleman here or gentleman and the other people are feeding these birds and javelinas. You can hear the chicharras, the cicadas. They start really late here. They start about June to July. I wish I could catch one so I could show you what the chicharra looks like. Driving over here, so in Mercedes, La Feria, here in Harlingen, Texas, there was a lot of ponding, a lot of water on the road. Rained overnight. As you can see, it's so lush. I should have used my action camera. I might do that next time, maybe Sunday. So different from last year. Last year we were in that drought, 100 degrees, like about 90 days. Last year we had 100 degrees or hotter. I'm not gonna say it's hot. It's probably just warm. But it is very humid. I'll check out the Arroyo Colorado. I didn't do that the last time I was here. There's some birders there, and I didn't want to disturb them. Don't remember, it was Monday, Tuesday of this week, or it's Wednesday. Earlier this week, I know Harlingen had a lot of rain on this area. I'm 4 minutes here at the trail. I'll cut the video. Better yet, I'll cut it once I get to the other trail there, the one that's parallel to the Arroyo Colorado. But I'm gonna cut the video here. And then I'll resume much further down.